Pagod kayo, di ba? Hi, hello, mabuhay. I am Miss Trinidad, and I am the prettiest mother of House of Storm. Here, standing in front of you, is a beautiful woman in the age of 18 years old, na nag-iiwan ng isang katagang kung si number 7 ay kamukha ni Lord, si number 12 sobrang mukhang demonyo. And I